Okay guys, quick video here on a few examples of solving exponential equations where we can't match the bases, and there's a couple steps. I'm going to call these multi-step problems. So I'm going to do two examples. Here's our first one. And the first thing we're going to do is try to isolate our exponential part. So this 7 to the 8x, and my highlighter's not great there, but you guys kind of get the gist. But our goal is to get that exponential piece wherever our base and exponent is completely alone. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4 from both sides. And then here's the big step. If people usually get stuck, it's this one. We've got our exponential and my variable stuck up in the exponent, so I'm going to change to log form. All right, remember the beauty of these videos is you can pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever you need to make sense of it. Once it's in log form, in order to put it in the calculator, if it doesn't have a base of 10 or e, so this one has base 7, we're going to use our change of base formula. So that's taking the big number in the log, which we call the argument. Trying to get my nice pen here. So we put the big number up top and our base in the log down the bottom. And I typed that in my calculator. Worked out to be 1.23. We're going to always round to 2 decimals. At least, you can always do more. And finally, I can divide by 8 to get x alone. So that's our first example. Let's try one more here. Okay, so this time, rewind a little bit. We've got, again, a little more complicated. We've got something going on in the exponent. We've got big divided by 4. So our first goal is to get, same thing, this exponential part alone with the base and our exponent in it. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. And then we change to log form once our exponent is stuck and we can't do anything else to our equation. So my base goes to the base, 120 goes in the log. We can remember, think of like our kind of opposite circle method. So the 2's in the base, 120 in the log, and the x plus 1's on the other side. So I always like to think of it that these guys swap positions. Okay, now I can use change of base to put this in my calculator. So log 120 over log 2. And then finally, we can get x alone by subtracting that 1. So again, feel free to rewind, should probably write these down, make sure they make sense, and let us know any questions.